Yeah, that thing is brutal for one sub.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Nice. Oh, I'm sorry. How you doing? You can come. Okay. I'm just getting a video. Check it out.
So you forgot your chips.
Woo.
Oh, hand me the keys, Dust.
Hey, Jess.
Him.
Is it alright if she sits right here? Her?
Yeah, get her.
Alright, now you're gonna have to tell me about this. This is a first. What's up here with this? I like it. It's like a.
My HVAC is controlled through the head unit here,
Okay.
and I didn't want to spend the money on the Maestro.
Okay.
So I took the radio I had and wired it up and put it in a marine case.
That's a good idea. I like it. That's a first. Wow. And oh man, this is a 5-team.
Yeah, Team 18 V1. On a 5K that's underpowered. I've only got a 180 and a.
And somebody said I
45 in the
couldn't
back.
listen to an 18.
And what's it wired to?
0.4.
Okay. And how big is the box?
5 3/4.
Okay.
So
Did you build it? Yeah. Oh wow. Okay.
I hope.
What made you invert versus regular? Just curious. Show the motor.
I blew a coil on my V2. I popped one of the tensile leads
Uh huh.
on my V2.
Oh okay.
Playing too low, so I just wanted
Gotcha.
to be able to keep an eye on it.
Gotcha. That's a good idea.
The FS on them was like 37, and I was playing at 26.
Oh. Whew.
So
Man, what's it tuned to?
this one's tuned to 33.
Okay.
I got a BTL 15 that I'm putting in here that I tuned to 35.
Oh yeah. It'll probably like it more, you think?
Power wise, yeah, because I'm putting my 2K back on it.
Okay, so you're going down a little on the power.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I had a 2K on this years ago wired at 0.4,
Yes, sir.
and I changed it up when I got the 5K and the two 18s in my Durango.
All right.
And actually, those were the batteries I bought from you that I put in my Durango.
Yep, I remember.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's right. We met.
A couple
Yes,
times.
I remember. Okay.
It's hard to remember.
Oh man, we see so many bass people now. It's
I know.
crazy. down to?
29.
29? Okay. That still play really musical, man, for the lows. Yeah, you can come in.
You can
Yeah,
come
you
in.
can come in.
Your
Yeah,
sister can squeeze over.
Huh?
He's giving us a demo.
I do it. I got your book.
Man, that's got some X-Max to it, that sub.
Yeah,
You can see it whenever it's inverted a little more.
fortunately with the JY45, I get a little more power out the amp than
Okay.
Kevin would,
She can fill
Yeah.
my lap.
which I'm grateful for.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
Yes, sir. Did you want to hear it? They want to hear it. I'm going to get some outside flex.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have 2 seats, so. Hey, let's get over. Who's gonna get in? You can come. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
That was awesome. And what size alternator?
It's just a 180.
A 180? Okay. Yeah, that thing is brutal for one sub.
Yeah, I've got another V1 and 2 V2s. I'm putting in a
Wait.
6-quarter in my Durango.
Hello.
And I've got 2 7500s at the house.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm gonna use those. Well, I know I can straight up trade somebody a 7500 for another 5K. So.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay.
Where is purple?
Nice. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice to see you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.